I am so happy that you clicked on this video. Yes, I came on this video looking crazy just for you because what we're about to do today is get some baby hairs, honey. So I do have a video in which I did do like a synthetic wig slay to show you how I got this look on this wig. But I have been practicing my baby hairs, so I am going to try to walk you all through how we get baby hairs. So back when I was younger, I wanted my own talk show, so thank God for YouTube. And if you're Black, I'm rooting for you too. Y'all, why is it trying to storm while I'm trying to create? Honey. Okay, so y'all, I need to hurry up and get through this video. It may turn into a voiceover, it may not. Just get into the video. Like, I don't know where it's coming from today, y'all. Bear with me. We're about to get some baby. Hey y'all, so the crazy thing is I have already recorded this video and got the perfect baby hairs, and now I'm doing it again because my angle was terrible and I did not want to agitate anybody with the angle of the video because it kind of agitated me to even review my video. So we are going to start over. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect baby hairs. And the first thing I like to do, yeah, I'm jumping right into the video, y'all. The first thing I like to do is start with my water. My water has a little bit of essential oils like argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You can use the oil of your choice. And basically what we're gonna do is use that to slick the hairs down. This gives the hair a little bit of play. And y'all, please don't be distracted by the way my cap looks. I promise I have done this enough to know how to finesse it a little bit. So if you can't finesse it, then, you know, don't try this at home, kids. But I know how to finesse it. But yeah, start off with a little bit of water, gives the hair a little bit of play. You can manage your hair a little bit better. Also, you can spray the rest of your hair because that too gives the hair just a little bit more guidance when you put it in water and you just put it where you want it to go. So use water. Water is not going to hurt your synthetic wig. Like I said, this is synthetic wig. Next thing I do is I go in with the Got To Be Glued Ultra Glue Invincible Styling Gel. I think it says Invincible. Yes, Invincible Styling Gel. So I go in with that. Not too much because you don't need all of that. Because number one, if you don't do it right, it's still gonna pick up off of your head. So yeah, I go in with that over the water. So I start with water. I put glue on top of that, and that's just something that I actually do with my actual hair too when I'm laying my edges. So I actually keep that step the same. I hate that I do both sides at the same time because one side is always going to be harder because it's going to start drying, but I'm OCD for some reason. That's the only way I can do it. Like, it's like I feel how much glue I put on this side and I want to make it even. So that's just something I do. Maybe if I become a pro, I won't need to do that, but I do it right now. So then I saw this long piece and I don't want her in the way, and she was in the way. So the next thing you're gonna need after your water and your glue is you're gonna need this tool, and they have many different versions. I have this with a brush and a comb. I have this with just the brush and the comb, and I have this with the brush, the comb, and something to part with. I think I'm gonna use this because when I initially did this video today, for some reason, it gave me a look that I really am feeling. So, and guys, it is storming, so I gotta rush through this video. Basically, to get my edges, I brush down, comb down, however I think I want my hair to be separated. So the comb looks pretty cool. So I comb down, and then I'm just gonna take my middle finger, hold down the area that I want to stay in place, but I'm going to push the rest of the hair up. And then you get a look similar to that. And you can push up as far as you would like, as hard as you would like, and the same thing. Just take that same finger, hold down the area that you already pushed up, but hold it down, and hold down on the next area that you want to go ahead and push up. That is just the easiest way I can explain to you what I'm doing. Hold down, push up, and you get these looks like this. And then one more time, I'm going to hold down and push up. And like I said, you can see my cap, but oh well, we all know that I'm wearing a synthetic wig. I've already made a whole video about it. So that is how I get the look for this side. And we're just gonna move to the next side. Like I said, I like the way the comb separated the hair, so I'm gonna do that on this side. And like I said, my cap is going crazy over there, but honey, we don't have time for that. It's storming. We need baby hairs, so we're just gonna get through. Same method over here. We're gonna hold down and push up. And it is a little harder for me to do this side for whatever reason. It never comes out exactly like I want it, but it comes out close enough. So yeah, I hold down and I push up. And even if you don't have the same amount of swoops, even if you don't have the same look in your swoop, it doesn't matter. You can finesse it. If you know how to finesse something, you know, sometimes you have to use what you have to get what you need. I only have a little bit of bandwidth when it comes to this baby edge situation. And if I can get the edges that look halfway decent, that is fine with me. You can always go in with this, but more importantly, what I like to go in with, y'all know me, I am gonna tie something down in a heartbeat, because that just gives me the most seamless look. So y'all, I'm dropping stuff. I'm really just gonna go on the edges that I slicked, just like that. I'm going just like that, and I'm gonna tie. And the last thing that I'm gonna do, and yeah, I have a little residue because I already had my makeup on. The last thing I'm gonna do is just go in. Nothing major. I just wanted to get some heat on there, hold it in place, and y'all, I will come back once my edges are laid. Okay? All right. So y'all, I totally thought about it, and I wanted to just go off camera and come back with the edges, but I was like, this wouldn't be, a real deal true tutorial if I cheated. So I'm gonna let y'all see what I actually get when I pull my thing off. And I'm sorry, y'all, bear with me on the lighting. It has been changing up. Y'all can hear why. But yeah, this is real deal how I take off my my little tie-dye thing. Ooh. I like to peel backwards because you know why? That's where we put the rest of the edges. We did backwards. So this is exactly how they looked at the beginning. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fix them on camera. So yeah, like I said, we are pretty much fixing them on camera. And the only thing I typically do to fix them is this. Like, that is pretty much all I do. In some instances, that's not enough, but today I think we're good. And honestly, truly, that is how I get my edges. Yeah. I don't know what the lighting situation was like for y'all, but yeah, here we are. We have a little bit of edge action going on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I mean, my hair is like tied down, so it's like super duper flat. But yeah, that is literally how I get my baby hairs. I want it to be very authentic for you, let you know exactly what you're going to be looking like and how you're going to have to manipulate it. And like I said, the only thing most times you have to do is just take your comb and, comb what does not need to be laying down, because that freeze spray sometimes has the ability to lay some stuff down, honey. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. These are my edges. They are not by any means perfect. You can go a little less dramatic. I was showing y'all how dramatic you can go. But yeah, that is what we have for today. I really truly hope that you would go ahead and watch some other videos, watch how I cut this hair and got the look. And I really wish y'all saw the original edges that I had today because they were really nice, but the angle was just crazy, and I was like, I'm not gonna do them like that. I would rather do a very thorough talk through where they can see all the details as they're happening. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.